What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix Vcruntime140.dll is missing error. We will discuss all the steps to fix this error and your problem gonna be solved for sure. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, then click on subscribe button, select all on the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave your feedback in the comment section. Before we perform the troubleshooting step, we have to make sure few things which is necessary for you to check. In this video, we have listed everything from basic to advanced so that you can fix your Vcruntime140.dll is missing error on your PC. Step 1. Administrator account. If you are facing this error message and you want to do the troubleshooting, then the first thing you have to remember is you have to be on your administrator account. To check you are in your administrator account or not, click on Windows icon, click on Settings, click on Accounts. You'll see the information listed in here. If you do not have the administrator right, then you'll see standard in here. Step 2. Scan PC with Malwarebytes. It has been updated on Tech Forum because of having malwares on our computer. Sometime our DLL file get corrupted, so it's really important for you to scan your PC with anti-malware. To download the malware, open the Google Chrome browser. As you can see, I'm getting the Safe Search by Google provided by thejadvice.com. If you want all of the searches to remain secure and do not want any malicious website to list in your search results, then you can visit to this page thejadvice.com/safesearch and you'll be on this page, or either you can type thejadvice.com and the footer of the website you'll see Safe Search option. Once you'll be on this page, type download Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes is one of the best tool to scan our PC from any kind of malware, and it helps to delete all of the malwares and detect all of the malwares you have on your PC. After doing a search, you will get the listing in here: Malwarebytes download free virus scan and virus protection tool. As you can see the website name in here, Malwarebytes. Click on this result. You will come to this page. If you have a Mac PC, then you can use this software for Mac as well. You have to click on download free. It is start downloading on your PC. Install this software and scan your PC and delete them from your PC. Step 3. Download Vcruntime140.dll file. To download the DLL file, open the Google Chrome browser. Type here download Vcruntime140.dll. As you can see the listing in here, Vcruntime140.dll free download dllfiles.com. You have to click on this result, open it. As you can see the information here, the architecture 32, architecture 64. You have to make sure you will download the latest version. As you can see, for 32 bits, the version is 14.28.29304. And if we see this information in here, then it is the downgrade version. So this is the updated version, so you have to download this one. And as I was explaining, you have to check your bit version of your PC. To check bit version, click on Windows icon, click on Settings, click on System, click on About. Here you can see the system type, 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. As I have the 64-bit version, I need to download both of the files, 32-bit and the 64-bit as well. If you have 32-bit version, then you just need to download the 32-bit DLL file. As you can see, I have downloaded both of them. This one is 32-bit. To understand it better, I'm gonna change the name. I'm gonna write it down as 32-bit and this one as 64 to make everything understandable. After downloading both of them, open the folder. Now, I like to show you the comparison. For that, I'm gonna minimize it. And again, I'm gonna open one more folder. As you can see the information in here, this is the 64-bit and this is the 32-bit. After downloading both of them, as you have the 64-bit, click on this PC, open the local disk C, double click on Windows. Here you have to search two files. If you have the 32-bit Windows, then you have to paste in system32. I hope you're getting my point. You have to find system32, and in that, if you are 32-bit user, then you have to paste this DLL file in system32. As I'm a 64-bit user, I will paste the 32-bit DLL file in this folder, syswow64. Let me open it, copy, do a right click in the folder, select paste. If you already have the file, then click on replace the file in the destination. It will ask your permission to copy to this folder, click on continue, and paste the 64-bit DLL file in system32. Let me open system32, copy the file and paste in here. Alright, that's all you have to do to paste the DLL file in here. Step 5. Download Visual Studio. As this problem is related to Visual Studio, you have to download the Visual Studio on your PC. To download the Visual Studio, open the browser. Come to this page, tejaadvice.com/safe-search, and type in here download Visual Studio C++ and press enter. You'll get this listing in here. Click on the latest supported Visual Studio C++ download and open it. On this page, as you can see, Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, 32-bit operating system user, click here. As I am 64-bit user, I will click this one. After downloading this, open the file and install it on your PC. As I already have this file, so it's showing me to repair it or uninstall it. So that's all for today. Leave your feedback in the comments section which step fixed your problem. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.